Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to check AWS CLI version in Windows. All right. Well, first up, we have to make sure that we have installed AWS CLI completely. All right. As you can see here, I'm in the documentations of Amazon AWS. If you haven't done so, you'll have to install AWS CLI, MSI install for Windows. Right here, as you can see, if you're running 64-bit, go ahead and click on this link and the download page will pop up. Go ahead and download that and install the CLI. All right. It's pretty easy to do. Now you'll have to make sure that you have Python as well. All right. If you don't know how to install Python, just go ahead and click on this link right here or open it up on a new tab and go ahead and click on this link and download Python from here. And don't worry, I'll leave this link in the description. Now, once you have both Python and CLI MSI installed, go ahead and open up your command prompt. Now type in AWS -- version. Hit on enter. As you can see here we have our AWS CLI version 1.40.6. The Python one is here. That's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.